Uncanny. It's not even leaning against it. It is no accident that it landed exactly like that. Wow. Takes practice. Not always gonna stick the landing. And that was no accident. It's the amount of water. You know what percentage of water works the best? I'm gonna take a guess at the number. 33%. Of the normal amount of water in a standard water bottle, as close to 33% is what works for me. One has never been opened. The other one is completely empty. And the final one has 33% of water. Trying to do things in your own strength, your own might. You are never going to land it this way. The physics of it doesn't work. Similarly, the empty one that has absolutely nothing because it needs something inside of it. This will never land. Again, the physics of it doesn't work. I'm using the same muscle memory, the same technique that I've been practicing. But you all know that 33% is exactly what we all need to make this work.